Let's go scuba diving.
I'd rather stay at the pool.
Why?
I'm afraid of sharks.
Then why did we come to the beach?
To play in the sand.
Let's get a pet.
How about a cat?
I was thinking about a dog.
Dogs are too much work.
I'm allergic to cats.
No, you're not. You just don't like cats.
Do you want to go to the bookstore?
No, I buy all of my books online.
Is it cheaper?
It is much cheaper than bookstores.
How much is shipping?
Shipping is free. I need to lose weight.
I've been on a no-sugar diet.
How is that going?
I miss eating sweet desserts.
I love sweets too much.
Maybe you should try a no-fat diet.
I think it's time to buy a new car.
Let's get a sports car.
I want another SUV.
Why? All of the kids are out of the house now. We don't need a big car anymore.
I feel safer in an SUV.
But I've always wanted a sports car.
What are you going to order?
I'm going to have a burger.
I'm not really hungry. I'm just going to have a salad.
You might get hungry later.
Then I'll order something to go too.
That's a good idea. You always get hungry around midnight.
I don't like ebooks.
Why? I love them.
I love the smell of paper and the feel of a paperback book.
But ebooks are so convenient.
No, they're not. What if you run out of batteries?
That's a good point.
Ashley wants a cell phone.
She doesn't need a phone yet. She's too young.
She says all of her friends have one, even a 9-year-old named Sally.
What do you think?
I think it would be a good idea in case of an emergency.
She's only 10. If she has an emergency, she would be with one of us.
Should we go to the beach or the mountains this year?
I like the mountains so we can ski.
I like the beach so we can swim.
We can go to the beach during the summer and the mountains during the winter.
That's a great idea. 2 family vacations in 1 year.
The kids will love that.
We need to buy a second car.
Why?
Our car is getting old.
What kind of car do you want?
I would love an SUV. They have more room.
A sports car would be fun.
A sports car can't seat a lot of people.
Who are we giving rides to?
Our kids and their friends.
We're not their chauffeurs.
Where should we go this summer?
Let's take a cruise.
I'm afraid of the ocean.
Why?
What if the ship sinks?
You shouldn't say that. It's bad luck.
Also, there are sharks in the ocean.
You won't be swimming in the ocean.
If the ship sinks, we will.
You are being silly. Let's just stay in a hotel with a pool.
I feel like drinking some coffee.
That sounds good. Where do you want to go?
Let's go to Starbucks.
I don't want to go to Starbucks.
Why not? They have delicious coffee.
That's true, but it is overpriced, and I like to support small businesses.
Fine, but next time we're going to Starbucks.
Fair enough.
We go to the mountains every year.
Do you want to try something different this year?
Let's go somewhere warm.
Where should we go?
How about the beach? My coworker owns a condo on the beach.
That sounds nice.
He said he would give us a discount on the cost.
We can celebrate our anniversary there.
That's a great idea.
We haven't been to the beach in a long time.
What should we serve at the party?
Big, juicy burgers.
We should do salad too.
Why? Who eats salad?
Some of our friends are vegetarians.
Salad is boring.
We can have a salad bar with lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, and other things.
Okay, that should work.
We can all have salad.
No way! I want a big, juicy burger.
Dogs are the best animals in the world.
No, they're not. Cats are the best.
Dogs are loyal and obedient.
Cats are cute and cuddly.
Dogs are cute and cuddly too.
Cats are smart. They can use a litter box.
Dogs are smart too.
Not as smart as cats.
I've seen many service dogs, but I've never seen a service cat before. Have you?
Actually, no.
You got another package today.
Great!
What did you order this time?
Books, clothes, and shoes.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff.
I love to shop online. Shipping is fast and free.
But don't you want to try clothes and shoes on before you buy them?
I can just return them if I don't like them or they don't fit.
That seems like a waste of time to me.
I love looking for deals without leaving home.
Jenny wants a new phone.
What's wrong with her current phone?
She says it's too old. All of her friends have smartphones now.
Why does she want a smartphone?
She wants to do social media and check emails.
She can't do that with her flip phone?
I guess not.
Don't you think she's too young for social media and smartphones?
I think times are changing and she needs to keep up with her generation.
You're more understanding than I am.
Let's go hang out at the coffee shop.
We always hang out at the coffee shop. Let's do something else.
I thought you loved hanging out there.
I do, but today I want to do something different.
Well, I feel like relaxing with a cup of coffee.
How about this? We'll go to the coffee shop and have a cup of coffee and talk for a while. After that, we'll take a stroll around the lake.
That sounds like a good compromise.
But you're buying the coffee.
That's fair.
I ordered a paperback book. It should come in 3 to 5 days.
If you order an ebook, you can get it instantly.
I don't like ebooks.
Why?
I like holding a real book with pages.
Ebooks have pages.
They're not real pages. Paperback books have pages you can turn.
Ebooks can be read in the dark.
That's a good point, but I still like paperback books better.
You'll never change.
How is your diet going?
Not well.
What's wrong?
I can't eat sugar, but I love things with sugar.
So you're on the no sugar diet?
Yeah, it's torture.
I tried that once. It was hard.
How did you lose weight last year?
I did the no-fat diet and exercise.
What is a non-fat diet?
You can't eat things like fried foods, butter, or ice cream.
That sounds worse than the no sugar diet.
It is worse, but it works.